Aloha there, guys. I'm from Hawaii and I just went from Hawaiian vacation to actually teach you Linux. Hello, guys, I'm kidding. My name is Misal and welcome to your Linux tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about brace expansion. Okay, so what is brace expansion? So the same way we talked about expansion in the previous tutorial, which was about expanding the wildcards that we gave to the shell. Now we are going to talk about brace expansion. And basically, brace expansion, I'm going to use the echo command to just show you what it means. And let's say that, for example, I had 3 files. Just for the purposes of this example, let's assume that we had 3 files. One file was named myfile1, the other was named myfile2, and the third one was named myfile3. And if I wanted to match all of them in a very convenient way, I could write my file, and then I could use these curly braces, and I could write 1, 2, 3. And if I press enter, I actually get my file 1, my file 2, my file 3. Okay, so I don't have these files actually in my folder, but if I wanted to output their contents, I could actually write cat my file 1, 2, 3. And note one thing, if I actually put spaces in between the commas, I actually don't get the expansion. Okay, so there are no spaces, and that's very important because if you put in spaces, there will be no expansion. Okay, there will be no Hawaiian vacation that I just came from to teach you Linux. Okay, so basically this is it, guys. I haven't actually been to Hawaii, but hopefully I will at one point. And yeah, then I will actually record a tutorial when I come back from that, and I'll be like, told ya, went to Hawaii. Okay, but before that happens, I'll continue recording these tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Talk soon.